Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Cubot Max 5. This is a new model which you can find on AliExpress. You will find the link to make a purchase in the video description below. Here in the back of the box we can read some specifications. Immediately what caught my eye is the fact that the display size is 6.95 inches, Full HD Plus. We have a battery of 5100 milliamperes. This phone comes only in one version with 12 GB of RAM, up to 24, and 256 GB of storage. The main camera is 100 megapixels, the front camera is 32 megapixels, the CPU is MT6896. These are the specifications that we can read here on the back. Judging from the size of the box, I believe that we will have a charger inside. Let's open it and take a look. After opening the box, we are presented with the phone. A thank you card. We have quick start guide, compliance regulations. Worth mentioning that we have a screen protector. It's a glass screen protector. And we have a charger. This is a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. This is the European version of the charging brick. And here on the top we have the Type-C input. Now let's take a look at the phone. This is the phone. Here in the logo we can read the specifications that were in the back of the box. The phone comes with a clear case pre-installed. It's not a gel skin case. This is the phone itself. We have a triple camera setup here on the back. Here on the right side we have the volume buttons and the power button. Here in the bottom we have the speaker, Type-C charging port and the SIM slot. Here on the left side we have another function button and we have a speaker here on the top. Now let's remove the logo and install the screen protector. Since the phone is brand new, I'm not cleaning the display. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the screen protector. Yeah, just like that, pretty easy. My recommendation is that if you buy a phone that comes with a screen protector, I would recommend you install it right away so you don't scratch the display. Now that I see it, the screen protector is slightly off to the right. My fault there, but the angle that I had was not perfect. Anyway, let's take a look at the phone now. I'll skip everything and go straight to the menu. Yeah. As you guys can see, we are on the menu now. Let's go to settings. Let's connect to internet real quick. Let me go to display, brightness level. I want to check the screen refresh rate, lift to wake, Colors saturated, adaptive, natural, boosted. Okay. Gonna go at saturated. No, I'm gonna leave it at boosted. Screen refresh rate. Oh. Okay, I was expecting a display with 120 Hz, but actually we have 144 Hz display. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Smart key. Here we can program the button here on the left side of the phone with a single click, double click and long press. Smart assistant, screen record, yeah, gesture control. Storage, as you can see, we have 15 gigabytes used straight out of the box without installing anything on the phone. Let's go memory expansion. As you can see, we have 12 gigabytes of RAM, but if we turn this button on here, restart later, we can add another 12 gigabytes of RAM, and in that case we will have 24 gigabytes of RAM on the phone. 12 gigabytes is actual RAM and 12 gigabytes are virtual RAM. System update. Okay, we don't have an update available, but the phone comes with Android 14 straight out of the box. Dura speed. Let me test the speaker of the phone and we will check the viewing angles. The phone has stereo speakers. The listening experience is good. Of course it's good, we have stereo speakers. Stereo speakers are always a good option. Let's check the viewing angles. For a big phone like this, viewing angles are good. Now let me set up the phone real quick. I will install a few games and we will take it from there. Okay guys, we are back. As you can see, I've installed a few apps and games. I was messing around with the phone. So far my impressions are quite good. I wasn't sure about the processor of this phone, but from what I can see here on AliExpress, it says that it has Dimensity 8200 4 nanometers. Let's go to check it. Yeah, we have a 3.1 gigahertz processor, 4 nanometers, 144 Hz display. Yeah. Android 14, Wi-Fi 6 certified, 5100 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging. all around, yeah, stereo speakers, liquid cool technology. Specs are crazy on this phone. And to imagine that the price of this phone is around $250 US. It's crazy. Before I forget, we have 3 ways of opening the device. We can swipe up, put on pattern or pin. The fingerprint sensor is located here with the power button. Let's do 3 times in a row. It was trying to recognize the face. Yeah. Let's do 3 times in a row the fingerprint sensor. Now let's do face recognition. Yeah, 3 times in a row, even the face recognition worked. Now let's open Asphalt 9, since it's a big game. I don't think games on this phone will be a problem because the phone has a very good processor, and I think it will handle probably all of the games that Play Store has that you can install on this phone. Yeah, as you guys saw, no hiccups. Here on PUBG, I won't be playing a game, I just open it to show you the graphics. We have smooth and the frame rate goes up to extreme. The small games like Temple Run or Subway Surfers won't be a problem for this phone. Yeah, no problem. Usually on budget phones, I determine if the phone is good or not by simply just by opening Subway Surfers, and at the beginning of the game, if the phone is not good, you will see lag and hiccups. Nothing happened so far here on this phone. Of course, it has a pretty good processor, it has a lot of RAM, doesn't have a reason to happen. I can go all day like this. Yeah, pretty good phone. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.